Oh man. This, my friends, is severe weather warning. This is tornado. Oh God, that is the tornado alarm. And if you can see, those hails are the size of very large pebbles. I can't. Oh my goodness. The severe weather alarm is sounding. I don't think you can hear it, but I hear it. It looks like it's up there. It's coming. All surrounding Sioux Falls are tornado cells. Tornado cells are tornado clouds and situations where tornadoes can develop from because the conditions are proper up there. Holy Lord. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that one. It's a big, huge hailstone in the middle of the grass. Right there. Holy Lord. We need to get to the store to get supplies. Bye.